Hi. In this video, we will have a chat about how can you make this year one of the best year in your life. Before we start, please don't forget to like this channel and subscribe for it. So we both agree, I think, Evelyn and myself as well, the last year was extremely challenging, considering all the aspects we went through personally, professionally, all these kind of elements. We had a video recorded a couple of weeks ago, so you can place the link on the box in here, so you can watch the video later. So, what are the things we could do this year to make sure this year will be one of the best year of your life?
I think it's really important that everyone that wants to make 2021 their year, they need to find that deep sense of meaning. They need to find that thing that makes them tick, that thing that makes them wake up in the morning, makes them smile, makes them feel alive. And you will know what this is. It's like you need to just test new things and try different stuff. So you might already know what makes you so happy. So it could be that you have found out that you can you love painting, or that you like doing yoga, or that you want to do videos, or you want to do a podcast or anything like that. But what you need to do is you need to start it. It's better start it rather than procrastinate, because the more you do, the more you practice, the better you become. So now is the time to start it. There is no better time than now, and that would make you feel satisfied with yourself, and that would make 2021 a brilliant year for you.
Absolutely, I think it's a great point what you were saying. You know, I think if you're coming from the perspective of each year what you passed, I think one of the key takeaway which can make it the best year of your life is when you are literally focused on the most important thing. So let's say instead of you have a list of items to do, list of goals, you have 5, 7, 15 goals in your life. Just pick the top 3. Don't worry about the rest of it. Select a short amount of time, 3 months or 6 months, and push as much as possible with that short amount of time. So don't worry about the rest of it. You can set the next 6 months for that, focus on that particular goals. But instead of you are just like a laser focus on that particular items, definitely going to help you to quadruple your results. And no matter you're job searching, or you want to open your business, or want to have a new relationship with someone, it's always going to be a good indicator.
It's very important to ask yourself this question: is what I'm currently doing moving me closer to my goal? And if the answer is no, then probably you need to reconsider your priorities or the actions that you're doing. But if the answer is yes, great, then this means that you're on the right track. Always ask yourself, is this thing I'm doing moving me closer to my goal?
Absolutely. Yeah, my last thing is from my end is definitely the habits. I think because the habits is the little piece of domino, little piece of elements which is building up that momentum, building up that results what you're aiming for, no matter which part of your life. So I think once you identify the top 3 things you would like to work on, let's say the first quarter or first 6 months of this year, make sure you break this down for weekly and daily routines, and just stick to it. You know, one of the key things from here as well, when you're doing those little actions, you always try to do the same time of the day. Let's say if you are set up for yourself to work on your side hustle every morning between 9:30, let's say 11:30. In this case, every single day you're doing this 9:30, 11:30, and move the rest of it after that. So because that helps you to create that habit moment, and obviously that building up slowly like in a momentum.
Yeah, because what we like to say is that motivation is temporary. So today you might feel super motivated, you might grab the momentum, start doing some actions, but the next day you might not feel like it. So what is important is you turn your motivation into knowing what's your why. So start with your why, and then turn these small actions into habits exactly at the same time of the day, and then these habits would move you forward and forward until you achieve your goal. And that would be absolutely something that would be helping you.
Absolutely. So Guys, these were today our top advice and top tips about what can you do in this year to make sure this year will be the best year of your life. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to smash that like button on the corner and expect our next video for next Wednesday again. Bye for now.